Anong sagot dyan? Pag-usapan natin yan sa video na ito. Sabi sa tanong, may dalawang klase ng tickets. Yung 600 each para sa adults and 360 naman para sa mga bata. Bumili daw sila ng 5 tickets, ang binayad nila ay 2,280. At kailangan nating malaman kung ilang children yung plano nilang dalhin sa show or kung ilang tickets para sa bata ang binili nila. To solve this problem, we could look at kung ano yung hinahanap, how many children, as the X. So kung yung children ng X, yung adult tickets naman, yun ang magiging 5 minus X. Bakit ganon? Kasi para malaman mo kung ilan yung adult tickets, all you have to do is to subtract that from the total number of tickets they bought. So our equation becomes 360 times X. Ito yung binayad nila for the children's tickets. Plus 5 minus X, na dami ng adult tickets, multiplied naman by 600. Pag pinagsama natin yan, that would be 2,280. Let's just solve it. So we have 360X plus, didistribute lang natin yung 600 sa 5 at sa negative X. 600 times 5 would be 3,000 minus 600X. Now, we're going to leave all the x's sa isang side and all the numbers sa isa. We can combine like terms dito sa left side. 360x minus 600x would be negative 240x plus 300. Tapos, we could just move things around. Lilipat natin siya dito para maging positive siya. So, we have 240x. Tapos, ito namang 2,280, lipat din natin dito sa kabila. Next, we're just going to put everything together. Sa isang side, yung maiiwan yung x. Mas maganda kung ililipat ko siya sa dito para magiging positive na siya. So, 240x. Ito naman ang ililipat ko dito. And then, I would have 3,000 minus 2,280. So, 240x pa rin to. Ang sagot dito would be 720. I-divide natin both sides by 240 to get just x. And the answer is 3. 720 divided by 240 is 3. So, they're planning to bring 3 children to the show. Right, now it's your turn. Anong sagot dito? Let me know in the comments and don't forget to follow me for more.